Is it hot? Oh, you wanted one, but you wanted it.
Yeah, you wanted it.
Aw, put it back in your mouth. Hot, hot, hot. Blow, go. Is it hot, Jay Sean? You can't wipe your tongue off. Take a drink.
Here.
Take a drink. It's burning more. Is your mouth hot? Say, is that better? Get another one. Here. Get some more hot ones.
Where's the hot one?
Hurry up. Put your mouth.
That's not hot one. This one's...
There you go. Put in your mouth. Hot.
There's no more hot ones.
Ha. Oh, what's the matter? Jay Sean, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is it hot? Take a drink. Love you. Bye-bye. Is it better? Is it better? Is it hot? Was it hot? I can't believe you ate it. Hot? Can't believe you ate it. Again, twice. I mean, come on now. First time, shame on us.
Oh, this one's really good.
Is that corn dog good for to be dancing?
Here's another one.